Hey guys, welcome to this iPhone guide, and here I'll detail how to use 5G network in 5G iPhone. So literally, before you can use 5G on any iPhone, you need to make sure that your iPhone is at least iPhone 12. So all the iPhone 12 series, iPhone 13, iPhone 14, iPhone 15, and iPhone 16 and later series support 5G. So if you're using iPhone 11 and beneath, you'll not be able to set up or switch to 5G on your iPhone. So you need to make sure that your iPhone is 5G supportive. So if you can confirm that your iPhone is at least iPhone 12, then you can proceed with this guide to use 5G network in 5G iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first one to do here is go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, scroll down and click on General. Then once you select the General tab, Software Updates. Then wait for your iPhone to check for available software update, and if there is a software update for your iPhone, go ahead, download and install the update. And then once you're done installing this particular update on your iPhone, come back to the settings. On the settings page, click on mobile service or cellular service. This depends on your iPhone and location. Then click on it. Then here, if mobile data is disabled, go ahead and turn on mobile data. Now once you turn on mobile data, click on mobile data options. And here, locate voice and data and tap it. Once you selected voice and data, you should see LTE enabled. Now, to enable 5G and use 5G on your iPhone, tap 5G Auto. And then here, come to VoTE and turn this on. So if this is disabled, turn this on. And now, whenever you have a 5G network available in your location, your iPhone 5G will start working, and then you can start using 5G on your iPhone. So that is basically how to use 5G network in 5G phone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.